Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by identifying the knob type because the removal method depends on it. Once identified, clear a small work area and lay down a protective cloth. This prevents scratches. Now, use a flat screwdriver to find a hidden screw or retainer. Look under the base and along the set screw recess. If you see a visible screw, loosen it one full turn, then remove it. If it's a push fit, apply steady pressure while prying gently, not jerking, to disengage clips. Once the screw or retainer is loosened, grip the knob firmly at its base. You want a straight pull. Angular force can strip splines or bend shafts. For set screw types, fully remove the screw, then pull while rotating slightly to free rusted contact. For push-fit knobs, press any release pin or center button while pulling. If it won't budge, spray a tiny amount of lubricant, wait a minute, and try again. Make sure to support the spindle so internal parts don't fall into the window frame. After the knob comes off, inspect the spindle and any gearing. You're checking for stripped splines or corrosion that cause tightness. Clean surfaces with a rag, and if needed, wire brush light corrosion. Re-grease contact points with a small amount of silicone or white lithium grease before reinstalling a new knob. If removal fails, try penetrating oil and wait 10 to 15 minutes before reattempting. If parts still bind, stop and consult a specialist.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.